Yeah, I accidentally hit the button, so I'm not recording now. Interesting. Re-alarm. Wow, that was bright. Very bright. All kinds of light. Again, it's about 10:30. You can see the second one over there. Interesting. What's that?
Nice movie.
The iPad. My trip to Florida. So, I do not know how long I'm going to be out here. These guys are like all ready to go. Very cool. So this is how stuff gets out on the internet. You know, this is our third world country. People take pictures of their phone. Hey, look, the battalion chief made it. Very nice. Very kind of them all to come. Very cool. All kinds of little kids woken up. Spent all day at Disneyland, and now they get to go on this ride. Lots and lots of people. Lots and lots of people. Oh, you can hear it going off again. You can see in the windows the lights flashing. Wonder if it's still going. Oh, there, you can hear it real nice. Extended stay deluxe.
Not from what we can see with a quick step in the first turn down. Like I said, it was only one. I backed out here. Rest I've got Marinos going up to go to the Fire Road and then Michael's going to check
Alright, I guess that's it for now.